Let me show you how to sell crypto to USD or other fiat currency inside Bifrost Wallet. Tap the menu button at the bottom. Tap Sell. Choose what token you want to sell. We will sell Flare. Choose the amount you want to sell. Tap the switcher to enter the amount in tokens instead. We'll sell Flare for 100 USD. Tap Continue. And tap Continue again. Tap I accept. Review the order. Note that the exchange might switch to Euro if you're in Europe. Tap Continue. Now you need to log in with our offramp provider, Topper. If this is your first time buying or selling, you may need to submit your ID for a quick security check. Next, enter the debit card details where the payout will be sent. Note, it must be a debit card, not a credit card. Then tap Add Card and review the order. Review everything and tap Continue if you agree. Now, it's time to send the crypto from your wallet. Tap Send with my wallet. Then tap Confirm. Payment sent. Tap Close. Swipe up and expand the status section. Here, you can follow the progress of your exchange. Timing depends on the token you're selling. Once it's completed, the euros will arrive on your debit card. That's how you sell crypto inside Bifrost Wallet. To learn more, I recommend watching these videos. You can also contact us by visiting support.bifrostwallet.com and tapping the chat window in the lower right. For more tutorials, subscribe and stay up to date on new releases.